In this video, I want to share an easy way retirees can make more money. It's a super simple side hustle that only takes minutes a day. If you are retired and wanting to make more money, or if you are not there yet, no matter what age you are, but planning ahead for the retirement years, this video is for you, so stick with me. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I'm 70 years old now, and I've called myself retired for over 20 years. I've been making money on the internet and haven't worked a real full-time job since I was 50. Pay close attention to what I'm going to share. Maybe it can do the same for you also. See, this is about money freedom and time freedom too. And before we get going, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And then lastly, in the comments below, please let me know how you got value out of this video. So a couple of things that I've known for years, and I guess I got these from my father. He was a very successful banker. He retired when he was 50 years old also. One, you cannot live the way you want on Social Security when the time comes, if it's even still there. You need to plan ahead. Does anyone really want to be a Walmart greeter? And two, I did not want to spend my life tied to a traditional job, making money for the man, never having the time or the means to do the things I really wanted to do. See, life is about so much more than just making money. According to a study published by the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics that I read earlier this week, over 26% of Americans ages 65 to 74 are still working, and it's projected to be nearly 30% by 2032. For years now, I've been able to ski most days in the winter and sail most days in the summer. I can't remember the last time that my wife Barbara and I had to say, "No, I'm sorry, we can't make it," because of a time conflict when we were invited to something. And that's the big challenge with most of the ways that retirees make more money. Whatever side hustle they do choose takes time, and usually it's lots of time. It's almost like going back to work. And at this stage in life, free time is what we've worked all our lives for. Do you really want to give it up? I know I don't. So here's what I suggest. I work this side hustle myself. It's all done online using a simple online marketing system. I only work a few hours per week at a schedule I choose. I can do it from just about anywhere. I even do this while I'm out sailing. It's really simple. Even if you've never done anything like this before, you do not need any previous experience. And yes, everyday people from all over the world are having success with us. It's low cost, but can be very lucrative. Many new team members make money their very first day using one of our free marketing strategies. It pays out big commissions on a weekly basis and has recurring income too. That's money that keeps coming in month after month. I really like getting paid by direct deposit. Excellent training and support is provided. We have 6 live Zoom calls each week, plus recorded trainings too, and we have the most comprehensive online training website that I've ever seen. We have a terrific Facebook group where we share ideas and answer questions. You will love being part of our community. It's a great place to meet new people, stay mentally active, and feel good about what you're doing. Plus, when we team up, I will mentor you personally and share everything that's helped us be successful. I will show you how you can create a full-time income in as little as 30 minutes per day. To learn more, go to my website at makemorefaster.com. Again, that's makemorefaster.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.